So I'm taking a break from fry screaming because it's driving me crazy. Holy shit. And I'm more good at full scores, and I want to build that up, and I want to build my breast support as well. So for now, I'm just gonna let it on the side. That cat is distracting me, but it's so cute. Anyway, so I was trying to go as low as I can, and I think this is the lowest I can go. It's like for now. So to say something like repeating some Ginger lyrics, it's like kind of style. Like on my head. But also like it changes, but it's still kind of low, I guess. And my false chords, like mid, are like so if I try to go low, something like that. I don't know. I'm just trying here. If you have any advice, let me know.